When hunger is weaponized, the psyche, the soul, the spirit are also starving. As a Korean descent, World War II was not that long ago. And colonization, one of its evil machination, is to starve the colonized. In other words, our grandparents, our parents experienced what it means to be hungry. We still feel the residue of those wars, of those colonizations, of those empires subjugating our people and our nations. That psyche, that trauma lingers on even within us today, even to the young people. And for us to heal that trauma, to move beyond those colonial matrix, one of the most important ways to heal is to eat together. As a matter of fact, the Korean word for family is 식구. Shik means food, ku means mouth. To be a family is to eat together. And that is how we heal each other, heal together, and overcome our trauma.